Liftoff. Liftoff.
Every day, history unfolds.
Chance to change the lives of millions of people for the better. That's what I came into politics.
A decision is made. A question is asked. A protest begins. A missile is launched. A treaty is signed.
Change the political structures in this country for a long time to come.
It is deeply humbling.
A vote is counted. The world changes.
We will have to raise our voices.
We oppose violence.
Hate, it is not a solution.
We demand accountability from the government.
Are we ready?
But before the headlines, before the debates, before the opinions, there is the moment itself. The words that were spoken.
By 2008, we knew that Epstein was a convicted sexual abuser. How was that not a deal breaker for the president?
If you, Congresswoman, asked Bill Clinton that.
The people who lived it. The images that tell the story. Because the closer you are to the event, the closer you are to the truth. At APT, we believe news should begin where history happens, not where the arguments begin.
Or do you want to go there?
That's why we bring you the moments that matter. Accurate, powerful, timely, so you can see more, understand more, and decide for yourself. Accurate, powerful, timely,